Jaimie, why are you always keeping weird stuff? You mean like a tube of silicone that got hardened? You know, like one of these that I didn't use in time? Well, I've got a use for this. Alright. I was not sure what I was going to do with this tube of silicone, but I've kept it on my table for the last 3 months, just kind of hanging around. And today something came up. Ooh, that is exactly what I need. No, I don't need one of those yet, but maybe I'll put that in a box and who knows. I got this here water faucet thing, and this is not designed to be airtight around here or watertight. It does come with a rubber gasket, but that rubber gasket is not sufficient to fit around this curve. So there's my little silicone donut right there. And it does not leak at all, and this is full of water. Nice. Oh, good stuff. Yeah, non-builders see junk, but builders see solutions. Look at all these solutions to so many possible problems. So many solutions. You know what? I have something that's missing a rubber foot.